fellow citizens of India, I would like to congratulate Shri Maithili Sharan Gupta, retired Director General of Police, Madhya Pradesh, for his vision of a crime-free Bharat, which has rapidly become a movement supported by intellectuals from the police force, legal and technology experts, as well as citizens at large. There are 5 clearly defined deliverables with a single objective: ensuring fair, timely, and assured convictions and justice for the citizens of India. These deliverables may be further defined as 1. Reporting crime through multiple reporting channels, detection through smart investigation support systems, conviction on account of a plurality of evidence with digital certificates of the chain of custody, admissibility, and integrity. 4. Prevention on account of predictive analytics by making proactive deployment of police and community volunteers using various real-time inputs. Finally, the rehabilitation of criminals and other persons with criminal propensity. My fellow citizens, this is a clarion call to put forth your best support to Shri Maithili Sharan Gupta and his vision of a crime-free Bharat. The time is now. Come, let us all join crime-free Bharat and ensure success for ourselves. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.